Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, my name is Stacey. I would love for you to join this little YouTube family and hit the subscribe button, and do give this a thumbs up if you enjoy a Glossybox reveal. So I am, like I just said, going to be unboxing December's edition of Glossybox, and look at the box. It is so cute. I love it so much. So it just says the best time of the year. I love it when they do their themed boxes. They always make a really great effort with the boxes, so I'm very happy with this. So yeah, let's just get in. Oh, even on the ribbon it says best time of the year. Loving this box already, and I haven't even seen the products. So if you're new to Glossybox, it is a subscription service. Now, I have been getting Glossybox for about a year now, I would say. And I just love, because you get 5 products inside that always add up to over £50 every single time. Yeah, and it's £11.25 or something like that. I will link Glossybox down below. But yeah, I get the 12-month subscription. Sorry, I get the 12-month subscription. Ooh, okay, so the first thing is these baggage claim gold eye masks. I'm definitely in need of these because my bags are terrible. These are from the brand Wonder Beauty. Okay. So I'm just gonna, you always get this little leaflet and it tells you about the products inside and also the retail price. So if I just go straight to that, one set of these is worth £4. Not sure I would go out and buy these for £4, but it does say you can get a set of 6-pack for £20. So that is quite a lot, so I'm hoping these are going to be quite good. I think next time I do a get ready with me or a pamper night, probably a pamper night, not a get ready with me, I will use these. Okay, so that's number 1. Oh, so number 2, I definitely in need of this. It is the cocoa butter formula. Is from the brand Palmer's. Now I do have a big moisturizer one that I put on after a shower. It relieves rough dry skin, 24-hour moisture. But I'm actually gonna use this little tub for my feet because I do get really rough skin on my feet. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna keep this one for my feet. Love that. So let's see how much that is worth. Deluxe Mini is worth £1.50. That's quite a lot for this, because I'm sure I bought mine in Home Bargains and it wasn't very much more than that. I could be wrong, but okay. So next we have, ooh, this is from Sport FX. It is a Blend and Go makeup blending sponge. Always in need of new ones of these. It's a really funny shape. I've never seen one like this before. It says angled tip for precision coverage around the eyes and nose. Flat sides to apply makeup to larger surfaces of your face. Rounded base to create a flawless complexion. So yeah, I've never had one like this, but it's quite a nice one. That is worth £4.99. Okay, so next we have, ooh, this is a very pretty colour. We have something from Nailberry. It's quite a big size as well. Not heard of this brand, but we'll see now how much that one is worth. Wow, that is worth £15. So yeah, that must be a great brand. It's a very like pinky red colour. It's very nice and festive for this time of year. Happy with that one. The last product is from Biosis London. It's a glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum. So you get 15 ml product. I've not heard of this brand either. Let's see how much this is. What? This little 15 ml product retails for £102. This is why I love Glossybox. I would never ever have even attempted to try this before, because I would never pay that much for an eye serum. Hey guys, that's going to go ahead and end this month's Glossybox. Definitely by far one of my favourites ever. It's such a good range of things. I mean, eye mask, the nails, you've got something for the face, for the feet in my case, but something for the body, and then the eye serum and the nails. I mean, crazy. Absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Don't forget about the competition or the giveaway I have running. Down in the description box I will link all the details, everything you need to know. Check out the description box and check out the description box for a direct link to Glossybox. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.